First top news headlines. CM extremely delighted to launch Go to Village 2.0 in Tobal District. Manipur records 55 fresh cases of coronavirus, 2 seconds in past 24 hours. Pandit Losisang upset over disintegration of Sanamahi religion. And affected Lane Owners Committee, Longmai announces NH37 ban. We are collectively facing a pandemic threat that is sweeping across the humanity beyond oceans and borders. Considering the seriousness of COVID-19, it's about time we step up against this deadly disease. Maintain a safe distance from others, even if they don't appear to be sick. Wear masks in public, especially indoors or when physical distancing is not possible. Choose open, well-ventilated spaces over closed ones. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Get vaccinated when it's your turn. Follow local guidance about vaccination. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. Hello, this is PONYTV giving you the latest Tuesday English Bulletin. I'm CHRISTINA. Now the news in detail. With the continuous effort of the government, efficient service delivery to the doorsteps of the population is becoming a reality. Chief Minister N. Biren said he was extremely ecstatic to launch the Go to Village 2.0 in Tobal District today. Under Go to Village 2.0, static camps will cover all 16 districts and 4.51 lakhs households in a span of 50 days. This innovative administration will extend essential public service benefits of various state and central government schemes to the doorstep of all the citizens of Manipur. Also, vaccination camps will be run simultaneously to vaccinate all eligible persons. The BJP-led People's Government has heard the voices of the people and has prioritized the welfare of the population, Biren said, adding that personally visited all the stalls in the Go to Village 2.0 Mela at Tobal. The stalls, which are set up by various departments, will facilitate public to avail benefits under various schemes, including benefits under PMGKAY, PMUY, CME support schemes, MIDH, EDP, Startup Manipur, PMJAY, and CMHT. Along with these, the stall also distribute rice, bulbs, textbook uniforms, sports equipment, pensions, aids, and appliances for the differently able, vegetable seeds, health card, etc. He urged all the residents of Tobal District to avail these benefits at the Moising Public Playground in the next 2 days. Manipur recorded 55 COVID-19 fresh cases, and in the last 24 hours, 2 seconds to the deadly virus in the same hours. The new cases took the total tally to 1,23,842, while the day toll reached to 1,925, said the State COVID-19 Command Control Room. The positivity rate was recorded at 3.0%, according to a release from the State COVID-19 Command Control Room. The fresh cases were detected from 1,834 samples. It said 13 people were recuperated from the disease in the past 24 hours. Manipur Pandit Loisang today condemned the recent unwanted incident that took place at the Loisang. Section officer of Sanamahi Temple Board Manohar Mayumbari Sarma provoked the priestesses and Sanamahi releasing of the Pandit Loisang on October 24. Nanao Mayang Lambam, a priest of the Loisang, told journalists at Manipur Press Club in Infa. He said the act was in contravention of the constitution. Nanao said Bari's desecration, the Pandit Loisang and Sanamahi religion. He even ordered a Govindaji temple board member to sprinkle Janamitra on the priests and priestesses in front of the Govindaji temple to taste their power. Appropriate action should be taken against M. Bari Sharma in connection with the incident, he demanded. He also demanded that Bari should be expelled from the temple board.
Yamda Lautuna Hangan Gadabani, Bari Sharma Haiba Asi BJYM Youth President Oinasu Haupuriba Misak Amana Mat Tau Karamna Minority Tabra Mitai religion ko Singnaraga Mutatke Haibagi intention ba thawong asi karigumba mari lainaba BJYM nasu sengdokpham thoi.
The Manipur government has deepened the issue surrounding the land acquisition and compensation for NH37 widening works in Noni area. The affected landowners Committee Longmai has said the government has totally ignored the issue and announced to impose a total shutdown along National Highway 37 or Infal-Jiribam Road from the midnight of November 4 to midnight of November 5th to put pressure on the government. The next course of action will be setting of Noni Deputy Commissioner Office and banning NHIDCL works on National Highway 37, it further said. All Manipur United Clubs Organization, AMUCO, has warned all shopkeepers to refrain from selling goods at exorbitant prices during Ningol Chakoba shopping. AMUCO also greeted women of all communities in Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba, which falls on November 6. The organization also said it will stand with those women who cannot be a part of Ningol Chakoba festival this year because of hardship caused by COVID-19 pandemic. It urged that people of Manipur should strive for reviving the ancient tradition of expressing love and affection among sisters and brothers while celebrating Ningol Chakoba, one of the biggest festivals of the Meitei community. AMUCO suggested that the people celebrate the festival with grand feast and exchange of small gifts, keeping away from competitions or presenting hefty gifts. An e-vehicle showroom of Panmay Enterprises was inaugurated at Malom, Makalekai today. Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh President A. Sarda Devi, proprietor of e-vehicle showroom Ading Pamay, Femina Miss India Manipur 2020, and brand ambassador of Panmay Enterprises Maria Chanu Pangambam, and BJP Manipur Pradesh Hills Affairs Coordinator Lungpobo Newmai were the main guests of the event. Sarda Devi inaugurated the showroom. Local people of Malom, Makalekai were attended the program. Maria Chanu Pangambam, brand ambassador of the enterprises on the occasion, said in pursuit of the current trends, people want the latest comfort according to their needs and underlined the need to consider for the generation to come. She also expressed happiness over being brand ambassador of Panmay Enterprises. She said, "It is a grand honor." Maria further said e-vehicles save fuels beside being eco-friendly. She said e-vehicle contribute a lot in making a greener and cleaner environment.
Aigi pageant ki journey lakpada aigi goal se aina focus tawse for greener and sustainable environment have the focus tawsabane aduna sukumba e-vehicle eco-friendly oiba sustainable oiba vehicle ama launch tawdore inaugurate tawdore haina showroom ama inaugurate tawdore haina bung ading pa may provider na ingon haibirapa se ay yamna laibak fabani brand ambassador oy na pagidamag tayo approach to birapa ay gidi yamna laibak fabani Manipur gi miyam da ina haisaning body ay kuy comfort thiba se hang ki comfort thiba ta for future generation also ay kuy na thaninga mathau tai na haisaning eduna mayam sustainable oy ba thau gi man su miyam wa ni hizig eduna sustainable oy ba eco friendly oy ba vehicle ba may enterprises tagi labi haina sagi.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.
Karigumba dom yumda laiba anaba singi hida kappa dressing tauba blood sample loba rice tube hapa catheterization hapa enema tobinaba experience lairaba nurse amati doctor thibada awaba thengnabirabadi wabiraganu Medline Home Nursing Care Service Manipurna pungkun mari chukna adom yumda latuna hida kappa injection piba dressing tauba feeding tube hapa catheter hapa amadi makhal kya ge anaba sing experience lairaba doctor amadi nursing tuna mating pangzari akupa marol gi damak Medline gi helpline number 9205987988 amukasu 9205987988 ta call tawna tanabiu natraga Google Play Store gi Medline app download tawna booking tawi.
Welcome back. The All Manipur Taint and 11 IRB Rifle Viva Voice completed and Jamadar returned completed association has raised voice against completion of IRB recruitment process after the 2022 polls. The association is saddened by the recent announcement met Chief Minister N. Biren Day. The recruitment will be completed after the polls. Association Secretary N.G. Jinkei Hanba told the press at Manipur Press Club in Infal today. He appealed to the Chief Minister to prioritize the recruitment process considering the plight of the candidates.
Recruitment as pang company sinra thunjagi mamita haloi aduga 1 month ki manunda result haidokani hain hungdokibani aduga covid pandemic na maram oiraga result si thengda oiraga di hojik election ase 2022 gi general election koi maga tadun leire maram aduna masigi election korok conduct lachine mamang November ki date 10 fobugi manunda rifleman singi baiba boss loidun leire basigi result sungsoi soidana lauthokpiu loinana jamadar candidates 415 ekoi return the mai palak tuna hojik fogba more than 15 months ekoi ngai no labani aduna yaragadi jamadar gi oinasu baiba boss ki notice athu matam thokpiu notice thokna baiba tokduna ekoi recruitment process loisan bi yaroi aduna November 10 fobugi manungda sungsoi soidana ekoi gi jamadar gi notice thokpiu baiba gi aduga rifleman gi oina result ase aseng batang da muduma candidate singda khangan biu loinana hojik leiriba BJP government asida thamliba thajaba ase ekoi honorable CM na manghan.
Ayurvedic Doctors Association of Manipur Adam observed the 6th World Ayurveda Day 2021 at Yumnam Keso Singh Community Hall today. Retired IAS officer K. Radhakumar Singh, retired Director of Family Welfare Dr. P. Syam Sundar Singh, State Nodal Officer of Ayush NHM and Adam Advisor Dr. K. Benedict and MD Ayush NHM K. Ranita were on the dais at the event. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. K. Benedict condemned the discrimination shown by government against Ayush doctors who are always performing their responsibilities properly. He cited that one should take food as medicine, otherwise medicine will become food. He added that pure medicine comes from the Mother Earth and that the main objective of Adam is to remove this from the world disease and make it eased. A free medical health checkup and distribution of medicines mark the closing function of the program.
Anduna masai okay Dr. Kauman also hydrate Ayurveda policy basically they have got 5 principles masai sea hawa space yam hydrate but I don't know to consider right.
Enrollment of Ayushman Bharat PMJAY cards for the people of Lilong, Chajing under Langtabal constituency was held today. At the same time, Ayushman Bharat PMJAY cards were distributed to 1,300 beneficiaries under the supervision of Thoktom Sarat Chandra Singh, co-convener of Medical Cell BJP Manipur Pradesh and nominee of Rajya Sabha MP Maharaj Sanazawa Laisemba. Two persons were arrested along with a huge cage of heroin from Mawiong Rim in Silong. Tigin Lentant and Lamintang Paungam were arrested on October 29. East Khasi Hill Superintendent of Police Sylvester Nongker said the action taken by the ANTF East Khasi Hill is based on credible source information that a drug supplier from Manipur was proceeding towards Silong, bringing a consignment in an Assam registered vehicle to be delivered to one suspected drug dealer at Silong. He said the receiver was also quickly detained around the same area when he was coming to collect the consignment. The police officer informed that during the search of the vehicle, 100 numbers of soft cases containing heroin were recovered from different parts of the said vehicle. It is ascertained that the illegal consignment was trafficked from Myanmar for sale in Silong, he added. In this connection, a case under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985 is being registered, he informed. Once again, let's take a short break.
Lakliban Diwali amadi Ningol Chakaubaga madi lainana cake, cupcake, jar cake, cheesecake na chingbasing November 3 dagina November 3 pau 10% discount pizari. Pre-booking tawiduna discount sing asi lawinabagi damag call tawirau aikhoigi number 9764653888 natraga 9863247509 amadi The Roselet by Baby Haina Instagram amadi Facebook ta order tawbagi udong chabasu pizari.
After the break, the Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya are likely to conduct a joint visit to one of the 12 areas of difference by the third week of this month. Addressing media person on Monday, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said he had a telephonic conversation with the Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, and decided to extend the timing for the regional committees of both the states to submit their reports by another 2 to 3 weeks in view of the bypolls. He said that the regional committees, which are tasked with the responsibility of making joint visits to the 6 areas of differences along the interstate border, were supposed to submit their reports on October 30. Sangma further informed that tentative by the 2nd week or by the 3rd week of November. The Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, along with him, will make visit to at least 1, if not 2 or 3 locations. Longzam Sophia Chanu from Manipur, who represented in the recently held 2021 International Martial Arts Contest online bagged gold medal. The championship was organized by the World Martial Arts Union WUMO and World Martial Arts Mastership Committee under the patronage of UNESCO, Ministry of Culture, Sports and Tourism, Chungbuk Province, Chungju City, Republic of Korea. Longzam Sophia Chanu is the daughter of El Ibomcha Meitei of Top Upokpi Awanglekai under Wangoy in Infal West. She represented India at Thangta event, defeating her opponents from Vietnam, Philippines, and Cambodia in the final round.
참가자 롱잠 선수까지 다 봤습니다. 점수 집계 확인해 보겠습니다.
A 5-day winter sports meet 2021 kick-off today at Netazi High School playground located at Jacurador of Borobekra subdivision in Jerbam district. The sports meet was opened by 37 Assam Rifle Gorkha Camp Subedar Hosiar Singh. The sports meet is organized by all Borobekra People's Welfare Association. ABPWA Subedar Hosiar Singh was the chief guest of the function. Mar in Puikorkom Jerbam President H.T. Rothang and ABPWA advisor Peritos Tas also attended the event. The sports meet will witness football and cricket events. Once again, the top news headlines. CM extremely delighted to launch Go to Village 2.0 in Taubal district. Manipur records 55 fresh cases of coronavirus, 2 seconds in past 24 hours. Pandit Loisang upset over desecration of Sanamahi religion. And affected lane owners committee Longmai announces National Highway 37 ban. Thank you for watching PONYTV English News.